How to fix unable to verify app and internet connection is required. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, check your internet. So go ahead and open settings and tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. If not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi to mobile data and you can switch between mobile data to Wi-Fi and see if that helps. If not, then you can try to enable airplane mode for the time being and wait for 10 seconds and then disable airplane mode again and then try opening the app again and see if that helps in fixing your issue. If not, then in settings again tap on general and then on date and time. Here, go ahead and enable the toggle button for set automatically as wrong times often cause verification failure. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then in general again tap on VPN and device management. Make sure to tap on the developer name and then tap on the trust option there, as if the app was installed outside App Store, this might be useful. You can then go ahead and try to disable VPN completely on your iPhone, as VPN often blocks Apple verification servers. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then in settings again tap on your name on top of your screen and then tap on the sign out option at the bottom and sign out yourself. Once signed out, wait for a few seconds or minutes and then sign in again and see if that helps in fixing your issue. And if not, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a full restart often refreshes app verification and helps in fixing minor glitches on your iPhone. And if that doesn't fix your issue too, then you can simply try to delete the app that is facing the issue, and once deleted, reinstall the app and your issue should have been fixed by now. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix unable to verify app and internet connection is required error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.